These Team Liquid Kyojuro Rengoku Keycaps stand out with vivid, full artwork that really captures the Demon Slayer theme without looking gaudy on the desk. The thick, textured PBT plastic feels solid under the fingers and resists shine, so the legends and artwork stay crisp even after long gaming sessions. Side-printed legends keep the main surface clean for the character art while still making it easy to find your keys when typing or playing. The dye sublimation process gives the colors a deep, saturated look and helps protect the design from fading, moisture, and everyday dust. Compatibility is excellent, covering common mechanical layouts from compact to full size, with support for Cherry MX style switches and a standard United States layout. Being an officially licensed collaboration, the set feels like a premium collectible for Demon Slayer fans, as well as a practical upgrade for a daily driver keyboard.